Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today I want to have a play with some watercolor and aqua pasto. So I laid down a little bit of water there, and then I'm going to come in with my crayon. This is the Neocolor I, white. And I just want to make some lines through here to act as a resist. I don't think I want too many, but I want some up there. And I'm not quite sure what I want to make. I'm kind of in one of those spots. So let's just start out with a light wash of the Payne's Gray. Just gonna come through here. Maybe a little darker than that. This is a little bit of the indigo Schmincke that I want to add in here. Just making light washes today. So I kind of want to just start with these white washes, and then I'm going to come in with a little bit of the orange from the Schmincke Desert set. I'm just kind of making marks through here. I'm just going to kind of play with it and see where it goes. Maybe something else down here. I'm going to try to stick to just these colors today. Let's do a little bit of the liquid umber from Schmincke. Bring that down. I kind of like what's going on there. Let's come in with the back of our X-Acto knife and kind of make some marks through here into this wet. And kind of maybe another one right through here. I like making marks this way. You wouldn't want to press too hard because you don't want it to scar your paper, but you just want to give it a little trench almost for the watercolor to sink into when you add more. And let's continue back with another wash of this liquid umber. I really make those lines stand out a little bit. Love the marks that we have going there with the resist. Kind of just thinking about this idea of lines and wash, landscape. Wistful almost. I think I want more of that. That orange, that desert orange is really nice. It's almost similar to the sienna from the liquid set, but it's a little bit more orangey in flavor. I want to bring that down a little bit, maybe actually maybe on this side. So we kind of have a zigzag of orange going through. We might need some more lines down here at the bottom too. Let's make a little bit of darker color for there, a little bit more of that orange. Bring out those lines a little bit. Okay, let's let this dry and then we'll come back and see where we're at. Okay, I got a little bit of the orange with the Aqua Pasto, and I kind of just want to bring it through here. I'm going to put it down with this brush. This is a tiny little cat's tongue brush, an oval brush. Let's put it through here. Let's come in with our catalyst tool. Okay, I might have waited a little too long for this, but yeah, it dried a little bit. I had wax medium on there from the last experiment that was kind of stuck to it, and I didn't want it to get on the paper. FYI, the wax is still not dry. It's still not dry. Okay, I like that. But what if it was like more... I just want to bring it down a little bit. Get some more water in there. Also mixed up a little bit of the Payne's Gray with the liquid chalk. It's really sticky. That's a nice mark. I kind of like that, sort of draggy. Let's come in with a bit more of the orange color through here and see what kind of... Just kind of playing and seeing what kind of marks we can make. I've played a lot with the Aquapasto, but I've kind of been limiting myself to the same marks. But I really like those marks. I'm kind of just trying to see what happens when we make them more flat. Maybe this isn't the best tool for that. Let's come in with a bit of palette knife through here. Ooh, the palette knife is fun. Palette knife is good. Let's even make it a more crispier line. But it's hard to pick up the Aquapasto with the palette knife. It doesn't want to come up. So let's bring one more line through here. Kind of like that. Okay, I wet down the paper just a little bit through here. And I'm just going to come in and make these sort of... This is a darker Payne's Gray with a little bit of Aquapasto in it. These are good marks through here. Sort of almost like another layer of strata going through here. A little bit of texture going vertical and not back and forth. I've got a little bit of the liquid umber through here. I'm gonna make a mark there. Ooh, I might just leave that. That was a pretty fun mark. Maybe I want to bring it... I like that mark, but this one could be a little bit better. If it just sort of crisscrossed in front of that mark. I'm going to come back in with the palette knife. Do some scratchy lines through here. Okay, I want some texture down here. So I've taken the stamp and I put some of the Payne's Gray with the Aqua Pasto on there. Let's see what happens when we do this. This could be bad, but we're going to do it anyway. Because that's what we do. We do dumb things. I'm going to brayer it out a little bit. This is probably a bad idea. I should just... That's different. I feel like I want a little bit more of it. I really like that, actually. It was stickier with the Aqua Pasto. Okay, I'm going to come back in with the palette knife and just make some marks through here. Make it a little bit more dynamic. And then we're going to let all of this dry and figure out where we're at. And see what else we need to add. Okay, I think I want to add another layer of the Aqua Pasto in this color, the liquid umber color. What am I doing? I absolutely hate it, but I don't love it either. Let's get a little bit of orange in there too. Not quite the mark that I wanted to make. I'm being too careful. Let the brush do something here. There we go. Make a little bit of a mark through here. A little bit of texture. And through here. Maybe another. Okay. I like that. It gives it a little space in there. Like it kind of, it's all kind of converging in the middle though. But I kind of like how it's weaving you back into the space. I kind of like that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to come in a little bit with this Caran dash. This is the apricot. I just kind of want to add in little bits of highlights through here. Not a lot. It just felt like it needed a little bit of pops of color. I mean, maybe that's it. I don't know. I kind of like that part. I'm going to put like a little line through there. Stay off the Aqua Pasto. I'm just going to color in a little bit through here. I just give it a little bit of texture. I like that. I really need to buy more Caran dash because I really do love them. But I have the other, I can't justify it right now because I have the other colors and I'm just sort of like, I'll make do. But they're so nice. They're just so nice. Let's put some through here and then a little bit just over here because I kind of want it to be in a few spots. Like I said, I don't want a lot of this color. I just want some hints of it. Oh, I like that. Let's come in with the Caran dash ochre. I just want to make a few marks through here. Using your pastels on top of watercolor is a really fun way to add marks. If you hate it, especially with these Caran dash Neocolor IIs or the Mungyos that I use, you can always just go back in and take it out. Get it wet, spread it out, mop it up. So there's no risk here, honestly. If you're using oil pastels, like regular ones, that can be a little tricky. But I like those little sort of subtle marks through there. I might want to come in a little bit with this Indian red as well. Just to kind of add a little bit more interest. What if it did that? I like that. The fun thing about this warm set of Neocolors, I don't know if you can see it, these colors here, is that they all kind of go together. So it makes it really easy to use in a set. Like, you don't have to worry about them not meshing. I think I want to bring this down through here just a little bit. And then maybe I just want a little bit of it up here because I like it when it gets next to that salmon color. I think it's really pretty with this English red next to it. I'll just add a few marks in there. Okay. Okay, I took the tape off. I put down some of the apricot here. Put some more down on the deli paper from the Neocolors, and I'm just going to make some marks through here. I'm just going to use the orange again. Ooh, that's really light. Okay, that's really subtle, but that might be good. Oh, crap. The Neocolors need a bit more pressure than, I kind of just want to bring this all the way across here. Might have to find another color that's similar because I want some bolder marks through here. Although I do like this real subtle, you can see it in that white, like right through here. Do I want to do it this way? It's real subtle, but I like it. Let me see if I can find a different color that's similar. Okay, so I found a Mungyo that's called Dark Ochre. That's very similar to what we have here. I'm gonna put a line through here. And then my plan was to just because I like what's going on there, but I just wanted, it just needed something like that, maybe. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. That makes me happy. Okay, let's look at it with the matte. Okay, here it is with the matte. I like it. I like it. I like the simplicity of the top part here. Love the granulation that we got going on there with that Schmincke indigo. Really pretty. Didn't need anything else. Super subtle, simple, to the point. Because I thought I was overthinking the sky a little bit. I like the Payne's Gray and the Aqua Pasto that we added. I like the stencil down here with the Aqua Pasto. And it gave it a really, it's almost like an inky texture down here rather than watercolor. With the lines, love these little highlights that I put in with this pink pastel. I think that worked really nicely and kind of bumped it up a little bit because it just added one more color. Because really we only have like 4 colors through here. The blue, the orange, the peach, and the umber. So yeah, pretty simple 4-color-ish landscape. Don't forget to look over here and see the next video or the last video that I made. And I will see you in a couple days with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.